In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp recurring tasks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set a task to repeat on a schedule, so routine work happens automatically without you having to think about it. Start in ClickUp's home area using the left sidebar. This is your command center for everything in your workspace. From here, open spaces. Spaces help organize your work at a high level, so pick the space that contains the task you want to automate. If your workspace uses folders and lists, drill down until you're looking at the exact list where the task lives. A quick tip, making sure you're in the right space and list up front keeps your recurring task organized and visible to the right people later. Open the task you want to set as recurring. Once the task window is open, look for the Dates section. Click that to open the date picker. This is where you control due dates and, most importantly for today, the repeating settings. If your task doesn't have a due date yet, don't worry, you'll set it here. Inside the date picker, select Set Recurring. This opens ClickUp's recurrence options. Choose the schedule that fits your workflow, daily, weekly, monthly, or another interval. You can fine-tune the pattern like every weekday, every 2 weeks, or the first Monday of the month. If you need more control, adjust the start date, time, and any specific days to include or exclude. Many teams also choose how the recurrence behaves, whether a new task is created each time or the same task simply moves forward to the next due date. You can also decide if the next occurrence should be scheduled based on a fixed cadence or only after the task is marked complete. Pick what matches how you actually work. Routine checklists often work best as new tasks, while ongoing items can simply roll forward. When everything looks right, click Save. You'll see a small recurring indicator on the task's due date, confirming the schedule is active. Your current assignee, subtasks, and custom fields carry forward according to the settings you chose, so make sure those details are set before saving. After saving, glance at the due date and time to confirm they align with your time zone and team expectations. If something looks off, reopen dates and tweak the recurrence rather than deleting the task. That's it. You've set a ClickUp task to recur on the exact schedule you need, so your routine work shows up on time every time. Thanks for watching and happy automating.